fishing, because I be fishing. What's going on, guys? Today, let me turn. Today I'm basically going to my fishing hole, but we're doing like a little twist or whatever, right? So we're doing fishing with live bait for big bass, huge bass, if any. Hopefully it don't rain today, guys, because it's a bit cloudy. It is a bit cloudy right now. I didn't really think about looking at that. I thought it was gonna be like hot for like 2 days straight, because yesterday it was like a heat advisory for my previous upload. So today I thought it was gonna be the same thing, so I didn't even really think about touching the weather app until I opened it when I was at the store getting my bait to catch the bait, to use the bait, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's that. Hopefully it don't. I'm crossing my fingers on this. I'm headed to the lake right now, well, the pond right now, to catch the bait so I can use the bait, hopefully. So just stick with me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Turn your post notifications on, just be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys at the pond. Hopefully. Okay guys, so we're at the lake right now, of course, as you can see. I'm pretty much a POV type of dude when it comes to fishing. I need to get my camera, well, I need to get a tripod, you know. So guys, subscribe to the channel please, so I can give me a tripod, a nice one, so that I can post it up and be on camera while I'm fishing. Other than that, I'm gonna have to use my GoPro, which I'm blessed to have, fishing for you guys, well, with you guys. So let me put some water in this thing first. All right guys, so it really looks like it's gonna cut up a little bit. So let me get to fishing so I can at least have this bait, you know what I mean? So that when we come out the following day or the day after that, then we'll have what we need. Hopefully it doesn't though. Hopefully it's just like this, like weird all day. There we go. Worms. The water's at a good depth and we should get bites immediately. All right guys, so I had to really get busy out here. And I caught some more while I was trying to situate my camera. Let me see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right now, I think. So that should, 1, 2, 3, I think 4. So that should be enough just to get us where we need to be for tomorrow. You know what I mean? I just don't want to be out here and get caught in this stuff, especially lightning, because that's very, very dangerous. All I know is my fingers stink. These fish stink, okay? I don't know if it's the water, whatever, but yeah, I had to get out of there. Like, you see the sky right now? The sky is crazy. You can see it on camera. It's crazy. I got out here and did what I had to do. I just didn't want to be holding this rod up in the air and lightning just whoop-dee-dee-doo. Gotcha, bitch. I mean, I don't want that to happen. So I packed up real quick, climbed over the hill, got right in the car. You know, I got four. So hopefully that's enough. I believe it is. I don't know. We shall have a good time tomorrow, hopefully. But if we don't end up going out tomorrow, then you know, you guys will get the video. You won't see me edit it, but of course y'all will get the video. We will have some fun either way it goes, okay? Got the fish. Check 1, accomplished. Check 1, accomplished. Check 2, not accomplished yet. We gotta go to the lake to do that, okay? So, see you guys on the lake very, very soon. This is the following day. I got some bad news, all right? So as I'm making a turn, going to the lake, going to the lake, mind you. Next thing you know, my whole bucket tipped over. All the water gone fast, just like that. Fish are in here right now, just flopping around. I need to hurry up and get to this lake, which is down the way, so that I can possibly get some type of, I don't know, aeration. Thing is on back there still. It's just all going bad right now, guys. So I'm gonna try my best to get these fish in this water, get them baited up or whatever, and hopefully we get a chance on some big bass. I could have turned around, went to my house to put water in it, but you can't. Not when you live in the area that you live in, okay? Because the chlorine level is the highest in Houston. So, that being said, wouldn't be able to do that. It'll literally fry the fish from the inside out. That's crazy, right? The chlorine levels are so high that it'll fry the fish from the inside out. How I know that? That's another story for another day. All right, guys, so listen. I was able to make it down to the lake right now. I'm finally here. And yeah, it's a bit of overcast, talking about it's gonna be scattered showers. So let's get into it before it is scattered showers. Let's get hooked up right now. Let's get baited up and hopefully get hooked up, basically. What I'm trying to say to you. So let's see. We'll be going. Yeah, that's lightning. I just seen it. Yeah, we don't play that game. Fishing always gonna be here. One thing I don't play with is lightning, man. You get up out of there. Ain't none of that. Listen, I can always go back to the other lake and catch some more bait fish. You know what I mean? I can always come back to where I'm fishing at and catch some more bass. You know what I'm saying? This video will be uploaded as soon as I'm done. It may be a couple days of editing or a couple days of filming, but at least I'll be able to film it and edit it and post it for y'all. I won't be able to do that if I got rod tips in the air when it's lightning outside. Now guys, we are back and better than ever. Do I have a chair in here? Dang it, I took all the chairs out. Okay. No problemo. You hear me? You hear me? You know what? I'm gonna just keep that stuff in here and I'll worry about that after. This is what we came to do. Right here. Along with drop bobbers in or whatever. So, today should be a good day. Hopefully. Going to the water right now. Walking there as we speak. As you guys can see, we are here. We're not only here, but we're here to catch some fish. Today is a way more beautiful day on Father's Day. Thank you everybody that wished me happy Father's Day. I know this channel was just beginning. I deleted my other channel that had more followers, but I just felt like I needed a brand new start. So hopefully this channel reaches a lot of people, put smiles on people's faces just by looking at the videos. And yeah. Let's get baited up. Let's get thrown out. Let's get fishing. We have one line out, which fish is very active on this one. He's out on this rod right here, and then we have the other one out right here. He's just right in front of us, in front of this drain hole. So yeah, the other one look like something is like chasing him, because it's he's very active, very active right now. Look at the rod tip. Look at that rod tip, y'all. Very active. So we're gonna see what we got going on right now. Trying to get some big bass in. There's some huge bass in here. Trust me. Yeah, I've caught them before. So mainly this bluegill, both bluegills will catch big bass. I'm just saying, but this is a sort of a nice sized bass bluegill. that's like candy. So hopefully, or maybe it'll get hit. I don't know. We shall see though, for sure. Okay guys, so we're at the other side of the lake right now. I just got the rod set up. One of them is still in good shape. Like it's like a piercing, that's it. That's all I did, was like a piercing. Everything else, his bones is good. The other one, I think he went through some battle wounds inside with the other fish. So he's basically a goner. So I just put him out there. If a big catfish is in there, or a bass, most likely a bass, hopefully, takes him, that'll be good. But I think a bass is gonna hit him for sure. The other rod, the one that's in good health, good shape. So I just casted him out not too long, like maybe 2 minutes ago. So we're just gonna see how this goes, because we just got out here, so you never know. But I'll be back to y'all when I got a fish. I told you. They get bigger than that. I caught a 7-pounder in here one time. Yeah. This is the big catfish side. You want to go over there. It's good. 1.5, 2 pounders. These right here get big. Shema. Shema. Nice one. Yeah. Nice. I did a catch and cook in here one time. Yeah. That's pretty good. Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. Yeah. They go straight back in. Stuffy? No. Tried to. I just had to come over here and sight him out for you, because I looked over here and I'm like, he ain't catch nothing yet. I said, that's not. No, the worms work too. What's up, man? Chilling. Caught a bass, y'all. Feel like a nice one though. Feel like a nice one. This a catfish? Oh my gosh. A catfish hit this thing? Oh man. What? I'm fishing for bass the whole time. I'm catching catfish. That's crazy. Look at that. Yeah, I tried to catch catfish. I mean, tried to catch bass in my bluegill. Catfish hit it. have it. I'll let him have it. He swallowed that thing. Oh, he had time to hit that. Go ahead, buddy. Oh, nice splash though. Give you that. That's a good send off. Oh man. So okay, I'm back at the house right now. We had a good. I'm surprised. Okay, that a catfish in that. I mean, I'm actually not surprised. I know what they eat or whatever, but in that lake, I've never done that before and caught a catfish. Okay, that bluegill was lodged, as you guys see in the video. Like that was crazy. That blew me. It felt like a bass at first. I'm like, and then for a second, I'm like, oh no, it's got to be a catfish. Okay, so that was definitely a catfish, but I really did have fun. I showed some people where to catch the big ones at on the lake, and I had catch the first one for him just to show him like it's catfish right here when he was doubting himself. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. Turn your post notifications on just to be notified every time I post a new video. Support the channel. Come on, subscribers, let's get it. I got 90 subscribers right now. We can do better than this. I know I'm new to YouTube on the second channel, but let's get it past 1,000. Trying to get it past 1,000 subscribers so we can drop some more bangers, man. Let's do this. It only gets better from here. It's only up from here, y'all. So let's go. Peace.